I just checked out a list of the top 3 recommended Linux systems for newbies, and honestly, one of the choices gave me whiplash. Let's start with the unsettling part of this video. CatchyOS is a newcomer distro. For those of you scratching your heads, CatchyOS is basically a super optimized, bleeding-edge version of Arch Linux. Arch is famous for being fast, powerful, and DIY friendly. When most of us talk about a newcomer distro, we mean something that holds your hand. But recommending an Arch-based system to a beginner is a spicy hot take. If you're truly new, this one is probably the fast lane to frustration, because Arch is the opposite. It shoves you out of the helicopter and hands you a parachute that needs assembly. At number 2, Linux Mint. This is the standard, best-in-class recommendation for anyone jumping ship from Windows. So let's see why it works. Linux Mint is designed to look and feel like Windows right out of the box. It has a start menu and a traditional desktop environment, Cinnamon. It's stable, reliable, and you won't spend time trying to figure out where the controls went. If your goal is, I need a stable, familiar computer that doesn't track me and works on my old laptop, Mint is the winner. At number 3, Fedora. Fedora is the choice for the person who's maybe an engineering student, a coder, or someone who wants the newest tools without the pain of an Arch system. It's sponsored by a major company, Red Hat, which means it's super modern and often comes with the latest software and programming tools built in. It's still very stable, but it moves faster than Mint. It typically uses the GNOME desktop, which is sleek and modern, but it is a bigger change if you're coming from Windows. If your goal is to learn modern open source software and develop things, and you're okay with a slightly steeper learning curve than Mint, go with Fedora. What do y'all think? Is recommending an Arch distro to a newcomer too much of a risk, or is CatchyOS now so easy that the Arch stigma is finally dead? Let me know.